So we started with active subdomain enumeration, and we were doing the enumeration by Python script that we have created. So yesterday we saw the difference between active and passive subdomain enumeration. We saw what exactly are the things into it, and we have added this Python script in your local machine, and we saw how to run it. So basically, you just have to simply type Python 3 and the script name.py, and you have to hit enter. Here you have to provide it a target name, and it will start enumerating subdomains for you, okay, in an active approach. So this approach is a bit slow because it is actively enumerating the subdomains, and this is what is active subdomain enumeration. Then there are a couple of tools in market that can also be used, which works in a similar manner. But the script that we have created, it works really well, and it gives you good amount of subdomains. It uses a very big word list. So the word list that we are using has almost many words. We'll see the exact count as well. Perfect. So I'm going to stop the script. And I want to ask you guys if there are any questions or anyone is not able to perform whatever we have done yesterday, just let me know before getting started with the new topics. Now, there's one more tool, apart from that, that can be used for active subdomain enumeration. It is called a subroot. Okay, so subroot is also a tool which does the same sort of thing. It uses a word list and it enumerates actively. So let me open the tool. This is the link for subroot. I'm sharing the URL in the chat box. Please open this URL. So what we are going to do is we are going to configure this tool in our machine, and we're going to see how we can use this tool. Okay. So this is the GitHub page for the tool. Please have this link open.
Just open it like any other website, or
Yes.
or
Just open it.
inside Kali.
No, just open it like any other website and then copy this code.
Open the link and
Click on this green drop down and copy this code or this URL, which is here. Copy this, the clone URL. Once done, go to your Kali ratings, okay, and make sure you are in your applications directory. So cd/home/Kali/application we have created to configure all the applications. So come to this applications and then only git clone it. So I'll wait for you guys to be here and in the application section.
command should we put to go to home, Kali?
cd/home/Kali/application. This is the command that you have to shoot.
Sure.
Once this is done, please git clone the URL that we have copied. So type git clone space the URL, the clone URL that we have copied, and hit enter. Okay. Once it is git clone, navigate to subroot. So simply type cd/subroot and come inside subroot. So you'll see there is subroot.py. Now here, simply you have to type Python 3 space subroot.py and hit enter. Oh, okay. So you have to specify the target as well. -p, and the target is maybe google.com. and it will start enumerating. So you'll get a warning on this one-line warning. You can ignore this. After that, you'll see that it will start enumerating subdomains for you. So it will start appearing on your screen. So subgroup tool is very slow and it is not that great, but the Python script that we have created works better than this. Just this is an open source tool. We are learning it. So if you guys are facing any challenge doing it, let me know. It will take a while to just have this results popped up. Done. Awesome. So it is a very slow tool and it is going to take a lot of time. So we'll just keep it on for some time, and once the results start appearing, we later will stop it. Okay. So this is the other way of enumerating your subdomains. Okay, the active approach. So after this, we're going to see what is an endpoint. Everyone done, right?
Yes. Gopal, so we are
Okay.
having these notes as well, right? I do not
Yes.
see these notes, so that's what I was like wondering.
Yeah, you'll have this notes added.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay. So after this, we're going to understand what is an endpoint. So endpoint is basically in any web application URL or any API call, the full URL is called as endpoint. Okay, there can be different sorts of endpoint or different path in the URL. So something like this. So main domain, let's say. Okay, so this particular part is endpoint. So you might have seen this in the web application URL. You see some sort of URL there is at the end. So whatever is there after this one is called, you can say that that's the endpoint of that particular URL, okay, or that particular web app. So this is also an very important information that you guys will be needing for doing the further enumeration. So, okay, so now we saw what Wayback Machine is. Now, after that, we're going to see what is Wayback URL. So as Wayback Machine, we have something called as Wayback URL. It is a CLI version created by a community that helps you get or collect all the information about endpoints or URLs using Wayback Machine. So I'll share the GitHub page for it, or you can just simply search for Wayback URLs, space GitHub. And the first link by Tom Nom Nom is the one you're going to open. So sending the URL in chat box. So there are various ways to install it. We are going to git clone this one as well. So please open this particular tool, the GitHub page of it in your web browser.
So we're gonna copy this link and go to Kali.
Yes, copy this one, this
Mhm.
particular link. Go to Kali
Mhm.
and again go to applications directory. Okay, you should be here in applications.
Yes. So we're gonna put
And
get clone first. What should we have typed on first? Get
yes, you
clone.
have to put git clone and hit enter.
We can stop the previous command because it's still running.
Yes, you can stop it.
Okay.
You can press
Git
Control
clone
Z to
and hit
stop it.
enter.
Yes.
So we're gonna paste this link too over there. By git clone, only put git clone.
Yes. By git add git clone before it and paste the URL after that.
Okay, sure.
And this will clone the repository in your local applications directory.
Hold on. Git clone.
Then click. Okay. After this, type go build. After that, navigate first. Okay. CD Wayback URLs. Once you're inside CD Wayback URLs directory, there is a Go file. Okay, main.go. So let's build this file. Go build.
What does go build command do?
It builds the Go file. It's a, every programming language has a command to compile or to interpret, to run the particular code. So this is actually building the, main Go file and the project, like whatever the code is.
Okay.
So it bring me to Kali application back again after that cloning. I put
Yes.
okay. So what you have type here now?
CD Wayback URLs.
Sorry.
CD Wayback URLs. You can see that on my screen. This is what you are going to
Hold on,
type.
hold on. Yes, I will see 1 second. Okay. CD way back URLs. Okay.
After that, you are going to Google. So, Sophia, if you see here, after go build, a new file has been created, which is Wayback URLs. This is an executable file. Earlier, this file was not there. It got created here. So, go build creates it. Okay. And after that, we're going to make Wayback URLs global. So, you are going to simply type sudo cp Wayback URL /usr/local/bin. And that's it. So this is what you have to do. Please follow the commands on my screen. And also, let me give you the commands here. So now let's see a bit theory about it. Okay. So what we are learning is passive endpoint enumeration. Okay, so passive endpoint enumeration is again very similar to passive subdomain enumeration. Okay. So I'm just going to copy and paste it here. Okay, so passive endpoint enumeration collects the data from online data sources. Here, no direct interaction with the target is done. So no SOC alerts gets generated. This is accurate. I won't say this is less accurate or something like that. I am going to remove it. Speed is very fast. Okay. We can put it like less accurate than. active endpoint enumeration. Okay. So these are the important points about it. It collects the data from online data sources. It do not interact with the target directly. No SOC alert gets generated. Speed is very fast and less secure than the active endpoint enumeration. Now, in order to perform passive endpoint enumeration, the tool that we are going to use is Wayback URLs, and we have already installed it. Okay, Wayback URLs is the tool. How to use this tool? In order to do endpoint enumeration,
Excuse me, sir. So Waybackurl is passive endpoint enumeration.
yes, Wayback URL is a passive endpoint enumeration tool.
Oh, okay.
So endpoint enumeration on a single target. So in order to do that, type Wayback URL space your target.com. Okay. Now, if I go to Kali and I type, I can come to this location back. Okay. So I'll just type Wayback URLs and google.com. And it will start enumerating passively all the endpoints. It will collect it from Wayback Machine. So yes, Wayback URL is an endpoint enumeration tool. So I will just do it like this. And endpoint enumeration, there are again two ways. It is passive endpoint enumeration and active endpoint enumeration, just like subdomain enumeration. Okay. So now here, I guess my Kali is not able to connect to internet. I'll just do it here on Mac. Wayback URLs, google.com. So everyone, please execute this command. You can change your target to any other target if you want.
So we're gonna get out of the application.
Yes, you can. That will not matter because we have made the tool global. So if you see here, all the endpoints are on my screen. Okay. So all these are endpoints for google.com and there are a lot of them. Okay. So this command gives you endpoint for a single target. Okay. So please do this, then we'll move to the second point.
When I do the target.com, I do not, I mean, I'm getting like just few results and I do not see like much of the endpoints. Like it's just like
Yes.
www.target.com. That's all I got.
Correct. Because target.com will not have multiple endpoints. So it depends upon the web application or the target you're searching for. So then the whatever endpoint it has, those will only get appeared. So if it has just limited, it only limited will come up on your screen.
Oh, okay. They're like just five. Whereas like when I did Amazon and Google, there are like multiple of them.
Right, correct.
Got it.
So now we are going to save the results to a text file. Okay. So here we'll use pipe We'll keep pipe as constant, or you can use double greater than operator as well. So here the command becomes target.com and pipe the target results, or you can just say results results.txt. Now you can see wayback underscore target underscore results. You can give any file name that you want in which you want to save the results. I'm going to give this file name. Okay, you can give any one, whatever name you like. Okay. Do it here. It will save the results to this text file. It will create a text file.